It's time! It's time. We're early. No one's even here right now. I'm talking to myself, but what's good? The people that are here, congratulations. Turning in early. Turning in. Let's go, boys. Let's go. The real recognize real. Real recognize real, baby. What up, what up, what up, what up? You crazy fuckers. What you doing, you crazy fuckers? Oh, God. That's right. We got some crazy fuckers in the chat. Right now on the hourly chart, looking a little bit like, maybe get some moves here. It's election day, baby. It's election day. It's time. Access light. I thought you were staying away from pre-market. Well, I'm not going to trade, but I'm going to sit here and talk about the market and just hang out today. At least I'm not going to trade the pre-market. We got more to talk about than just trading today. I got a little cease and desist yesterday from selling rips. His lawyers sent me a cease and desist. They said that, Patrick, you shouldn't be able to own marketclubhouse.com because, you know, you're not allowed. In America, it's not a free country and you can't buy a domain, you know? You can't buy a domain in America. It's not allowed. Welcome to Russia, China. This is China now. We live in China. Make something very clear. Rips never even bought his own domain. I bought the domain from a random website. I can't help it. I can't help it that Rips doesn't know how to use the fucking internet. The best part is, guess what? You know what I did with that cease and desist? Wiped my big old ass real nicely with it. Real nice paper, you know, just like that. You should leave politics out of your channel. Well, guess what, Dave? It's my channel, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck what little Dave has to say about it. Hey, Patrick, leave politics out of your channel. Now I lay myself down to sleep. Little baby, don't say a word. I can let you hear the world. In your head. Exit line. And tonight. And mountain. What happens if I decide to not follow the cease and desist? Nothing? Not one. What are they gonna do? Arrest me for buying a fucking domain? Get the fuck out of here. You think it's not the first cease and desist I've gotten. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry, little buddies. And yes, the McLaren, it's back. Look at it. Oh! It's so dark in here. You gotta turn some lights on. Look at it up close. Woo! 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 You need rims? What are you talking about? These are the wheels. Look at those things. They're fucking sick. What do you? I need rims. What? Hey! You did! Hey! The best part is, I don't know if you guys saw the news, but big news. Patrick Wieland's moving into a live funded account. I made too much fucking money. Oh, Top Step couldn't deny me any longer. Going straight to the tippity top. The tippity top, baby! And you will be. Set the throne. You. So if you're just now tuning in, you haven't heard about the fun last night. I got a cease and desist from our best friend, Rips. And I don't know what he thought was going to happen, but it's not going to end well for him because this is his law firm. And you know the best part about this law firm? It's a personal injury attorney, first off. And then secondly, they use gender pronouns in their emails. Every email they put in there, he, she, they, them. I got no faith. That's the if your company uses gender pronouns in their email headers or signatures, I ain't worried about you. I am not worried. I am not fucking worried. So basically what happened is last night I got more payouts last night, right? I got a bunch of payouts, but basically Rips's attorneys sent this cease and desist, basically saying that Market Clubhouse is a leading provider of asset trading information and trading services, saying that I'm infringing. I'm using copyrighted images owned by your client, and even includes various copyrighted protected images. They said, those motherfuckers said copyrighted images. Copyrighted images. Do you guys want to see what the images actually are? That would make you laugh. Check it out. This is what the copyrighted images are. That's a screenshot of a DM that Rip sent me on Twitter or on Instagram. He said, good form, brosif. You know, this is copyrighted because, you know, you're not allowed to take a screenshot of your fucking messages on Instagram. This is how fucking dumb these motherfuckers are. Literally copyrighted. What in the fuck is copyrighted about my Instagram? And then this is a video of Rips talking shit. All right, let's look at this website and tell me where do I use anything that is copyrighted or trademarked? I will wait. Where does it exist? Nowhere. There is nothing on this fucking website that is, what are they, copyrighted? How is that even, how can you copyright something that, what? And then the best is their demands. This is my favorite. This is their demands. You cease and desist from all further use of Market Clubhouse mark and any designations likely to cause confusion with Market Clubhouse trademark. You immediately take down all websites and social media profiles, any and all materials bearing any designation likely to cause confusion with Market Clubhouse or its businesses. You transfer marketclubhouse.com domain to our client. Are you fucking crazy? Are they fucking dumb? Like, honestly, are they fucking dumb? Am I dumb? I'm confused. I'm confused. How does that work? Go to that website and tell me one place where I use anything that is trademarked. Explain to me where on this website there is anything that is trademarked or copyrighted. Anything. Explain anywhere on this website where there is any likeness to Market Clubhouse shitty website. Nothing. There is nothing on this website that looks anything like fucking Rips's shitty website. Not one thing. So what in the fuck are these morons doing? Sending me a cease and desist to get rid of copyrighted images? Suck my big old fucking dick. I'll see you in court, or you can pay me $50,000. I will sell marketclubhouse.com to Rips for $50,000. The idea that they think that they're going to demand that I transfer a website that I paid for, and by the way, Rips never owned this website. I bought it off of a auction website that offers different URLs. You can go online, you can buy different URLs. That is 100% legal business, right? I did exactly what is legal and totally fucking, this is 100% legal. There is nowhere that says, Patrick, you're not allowed to legally buy a website. You're not allowed to do it. You can't do it. Get the fuck out of here. I hope these motherfuckers are watching. I hope. Because I cannot wait to go to court. I would love to go to court. I will fucking destroy these motherfuckers so deep into the goddamn ground that they don't even know what hit them. I cannot wait. These motherfuckers. If you do not comply with these demands and confirm your compliance with us in writing by November 8th, hey, welcome to America, motherfuckers. This ain't California. I do whatever the fuck I want. Okay, I didn't break any law. I did exactly what any other person in the entire planet could do. I went on the internet. I saw an opportunity for an investment. I bought a website, and now I'm holding that website. I'm not holding it hostage. But I think that there's value to that website, to that domain, right? Maybe one day I want to, sell the website in the future as an investment. Maybe. I don't know. But that's how it goes in America. Welcome to capitalism. Welcome to a free market. This ain't fucking China. This ain't fucking Russia. Welcome to it. I told Rips I would sell him the domain for $50,000. I think that's a very fair offer. I also said that if Rips pays $50,000 for marketclubhouse.com, which I rightfully own, if he pays for this, I will give away $50,000 worth of combines or evaluations or whatever accounts. I will buy 1,000. I will buy 1,000 accounts, and I will give away 1,000 accounts to all of my subscribers, one per person. Well, there's 200,000 of you, but hey, it's dog eat dog world, baby. Whoever's there gets them. I'm just going to be like, have a little, just throw them out there. But there. So yeah, Rips can do what he wants. He can keep paying for attorneys and we can go to court and nothing's going to happen. Or he can just buy the domain, which I rightfully own. I bought the domain. I paid $2,500 for it. Rips decided that he didn't want to own his own domain. That's fine. I thought I would want to buy it. I just thought it'd be a good buy. So I'm a terrible person for buying a domain. Welcome. I don't know, man. If I had a website, I would own the domain, like if onlypropfirms.com, like I own that domain, right? Like that's pretty smart business. Like if I'm going to launch a website, I'm going to make sure I own that domain. So, there you go. Thank you. So yeah, there it is. The fun. Again, I've probably gotten at least 30 to 40 cease and desist, over the years. I've been sued. I've had lawsuits. And guess what? Not one Not one of those lawsuits, not one of those fucking cease and desist, nothing ever played out. Not one, because guess what? Only pussies send cease and desist. If you think you're a badass, take me to court and let's go. Let's do it, you know? Welcome to America, baby. I'm not going to bend the knee to some fucking gender profile fucking idiots in California. You know? Let's be honest. So, Rips never bought the domain. I didn't even steal it from him. He never actually bought his own domain. That's how dumb he is. How dumb can you be? He launched a website but never bought the .com because he was too poor. I paid $2,500 for marketclubhouse.com. Very dumb. What an idiot. And now he's trying to come at me. And the best part about all this is Patrick Wieland is now getting moved into a live account because I'm just so goddamn good. They said I couldn't. They said, Patrick, you're terrible at trade. You're never going to be in a live account. I said, well, hold my beer, boys. Because guess what? Patrick Wieland, he got a live account now. That's right. He gonna get put into the live account because he making too much money on the YouTube. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling straight back here. Do we have news? 15-minute chart. The pull. Ooh, we're dumping, baby. It's going to be a wild day of action. That is for sure. No matter what, it is going to be a wild day of action. So let's fucking get into it. Let's get into it, boys. I requested about, I think it was $27,000 in payouts last night. So I will not be trading my, those XFA accounts just because I want to make sure I get paid on those before I hit like the max loss or something. So, yeah, I'll wait for those payouts to get withdrawn and then I'll take some trades. I requested the payouts last night, so it probably won't happen today, but we'll see how she goes. NASDAQ back to the VWAP for now. Is there any props not allowing trading today? I think I saw Top Step said something about if you have a live account with Top Step that you can't trade today. This is what I'm not sure. Don't quote me, but that's what I heard. I think Tanya posted that or something. Somebody posted that. Woo! Election day. I've never traded election day. Or I guess maybe I did, but I haven't traded futures on election day. So, did we have? Yeah. What we got going on here? Straight down right now, 20,110. Good Lord, little 50-point move straight down there. Anybody get that short? Benjamin said he got in, but he got out too early. Hey, it happens, my friend. I'd rather get out early than get out late, if you know what I mean. You know? Think about it like that. I'd rather get out early. You know, I'd rather get out early than get out too late. Right? Nothing wrong with locking in some profit. Back down to that middle of that range. I think we might have a bit of a range day here. We'll see. A lot of indecision in the markets, obviously, with the elections and all that fun stuff. So we'll see how she plays out. Got that pivot point down there as well. Pivot point at the 115s. Got the VWAP there. We got the 21 EMA all the way up there, the 5-minute chart. 15-minute chart as well. You can see kind of pulling back here into this pivot point for now. We'll see if we get that reaction here off of the pivot point. We do have the gap fill. We closed yesterday down there at the 20,086s, by the way. So see what this next move looks like. It is currently 9 o'clock, baby. Oh, Lord. Pray to God. Just pray to God. Baby Jesus, please, 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 please help Donald Trump win. Please, please, little baby Jesus. Will you just help Trump? Help Trump. Help him. Keep him safe today. Keep our Donald Trump safe. Meow, meow, meow. Little bit of trouble here at the pivot point for now. Right there at that pivot point right now, bear flag in here. If we move down, that would put us down to a gap at the 85 level possibly. We got that VWAP there. We did just kind of dump straight down there. So it's obviously going to be a wild day here in the markets. Either way you look at it, it's election day in America. Big news either way. Oh, signs for what I showed. Doesn't Metallica get a strike from YouTube? No. Would you recommend to trade evals instead of funded accounts today? Maybe. We got that gap fill down there. 20,085 is the downside, so. Patrick, what's your market outlook for today? Oh, buddy. I think we're gonna just get a lot of volatility today. So, we'll see. Don't get too excited. I wasn't even planning on trading today, but thought I would get on here just to defend myself. Let Rips know that his little fucking attorney in California is not gonna scare me. All right, let's make that sure. Let's be honest. If you use your gender pronouns in your email, I got no respect for you. Never be to kill. I mean, if you look here on the hourly chart, like, clearly see that trend line there. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me help you. I gotta make some money so I can pay for attorneys. I gotta pay for some attorneys, man. I gotta get my McLaren back. Gonna have to sell the McLaren now. Oh Lord. Oh, not the McLaren. My baby. It's okay. I won't sell you. I'll hold you forever, baby. Don't worry. I love you. I'm not gonna sell the McLaren no matter what. Never breathe. What's your daily car? I just bought an Escalade, actually. I bought an Escalade V. And I bought another truck. I got 3 trucks now. Well, I got the big truck, I got a normal truck, and then I've got the Escalade, I got the McLaren, I got the Lambo. We got it all, baby. No, I still got the Lambo. It's at the shop right now getting tuned. Getting some new stuff done to it, but... I traded the Raptor, I traded the Raptor for the bigger truck. Get a Porsche GT3 3S or GT3 RS. I'm not that rich, bro. I'm broke. Countersue Rips for fraud. It's not a bad idea. I'm definitely talking to my attorneys right now on drafting up a lawsuit here in Florida, because we don't want them to draft up a suit in California. Better to have them in Florida. The no-nonsense state. You know California is fucking dumb as shit. Don't want to deal with that liberal bullshit out there. What is Rip suing me? He's not really suing me. He just sent a intimidation letter. Basically sent a cease and desist saying that I've got to give back the domain that I bought legally. So I don't know what world they live in. I don't know what country in the world you can just send an email and demand that somebody give you something. You know, I don't know. It says right here, you transfer the Market Clubhouse domain to our client. What? What? How does that work? If I paid for something legally and bought it legally, that I have to just give it back to someone who never owned it? Rips never owned marketclubhouse.com because he's so fucking dumb. He never owned it. I bought it free and clear. I paid $2,500 for it. It was available. I don't know. This is my favorite part, though, of the whole cease and desist. Look at this. We are in litigation for Market Clubhouse, a leading provider of asset trading information and training services. A leading provider. There is nobody on this fucking planet who can literally sit there and say that with a straight face. Market Clubhouse is a leading provider of asset trading information. And it talks about Market Clubhouse has been using its trademark in connection with its services, which has experienced unprecedented growth and has been widely praised by industry experts and its users. As a result, Market Clubhouse has a high quality service that the Market Clubhouse has become widely known throughout the United States. Yes, that's exactly what it is. That's exactly what it is, guys. Exactly. Rips is exactly the leading provider of information out there. That is so weird how that works. I don't know. If you go to his YouTube channel, he's got 24,000 subscribers. He's got 24,000. How many subscribers does Patrick Wieland have? Oh, I have 261,000. I'm confused. Who's the leader? I'm dead right now. This shit is hilarious. It's hilarious. Let's look at the most viewed video. Rips' most viewed video has 5,000 views. That's 5,000 views. That's his most viewed video. Remember, Market Clubhouse is known across America, right? It's got 5,000 views on his most viewed video. By the way, this is literally just me looking, right? His most popular video on YouTube has 5,000 700,000 views. And this is a leading expert in the industry, right? He's a leader in the industry. He's known across America. That is so weird. I wonder, what is the most viewed video on Patrick Wieland's channel? Holy shit, 3.7 million, 1.9 million, 500,000, 300,000, 259,000, 250, 220, 226. I have one video with more views than Rips has ever gotten his entire life. And it just goes on. Look at it, 100,000. It just goes, it goes, it goes. I got a video of my boat. That's got more views than all of Rip's entire YouTube channel. And you're gonna tell me that Rips is a leader in the industry? That he's known across America? Are these motherfuckers dumb? They're dumb. They gotta be dumb. These people gotta be dumb. I don't even know what to say at this point. You know? I can't even say. I don't even know what to say. We got 15 minutes till the market opens up here. Sitting at the VWAP for now on the hourly chart. Patrick, does it show Rips' name? Where? Oh, his real name? It doesn't, unfortunately. I wish. I may roll. It's going to be, I think we're going to get some wild action today, boys. Get ready. Bro, what do you mean about the gap at 20,085? Well, my little friend, ask yourself, where did the market close at yesterday? You know, where did the market close at yesterday? Okay, take a look where the market closed at, and that would tell you where the gap is, basically. So futures closed like, what was it, last night? Right, like in this, yeah, 85, so. We'll see how she goes. Yeah, Rips has a $700,000 Ferrari, but he couldn't afford to buy his own domain. Talk about priorities. I mean, like I said, I bought marketclubhouse.com for $2,500. That's just weird. Like, why would he not buy it? That's weird. That's just weird, you know? I should start up the McLaren. I mean, it's just going to be really loud and annoying. The SF90 are big bucks. No, they're actually not. They're a fucking piece of shits, and they're losing value massively. If you go on Auto Trader, you can see SF90s are coming down in value like they're fucking going out of style. I think the SF90 was a big flop. Nobody wants a fucking hybrid. You know, think about it. They don't want the hybrid. These cars were retailing for $1 million when they were selling. on the aftermarket for $1 million. And now you can get one right here. You can get them for 430. 400. 1,000 miles. Ouch. That's not good. That's not good, boys. SF90s are now, but they are below the MSRP. And if you look, by the way, if you look, you know, if you want to compare, look up the Lamborghini, right? Just look up the Lamborghini here. Lamborghini Huracan. STO. Okay. Lamborghini Huracan STOs are still selling above the MSRP when they originally came out, by the way. This is a twin turbo Lamborghini STO right here for sale. That's what I have for almost 500,000. So, yes, I think it's pretty hilarious. Because like I said, the Huracan STO is still selling, even years after it came out, still selling above MSRP. So just putting that out there, you know. Clearly the SF90 is not doing good. Hey Patrick, when are you going to announce who is president? Well, I was thinking about announcing who's president at 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. I was going to announce who's the president. You got a little less than 10 minutes. Don't forget to vote today. Vote like your life depends on it, because it does. Is Rips voting for Kamala? 100%. Rips is definitely going to vote for Kamala Harris. Bear flag on the hourly chart. Maybe. Yeah. We got a very key level down here, this 20,000 level, so. The problem is if I do a poll in the chat, everybody's going to say Trump. So. It wouldn't really matter. Who are you voting for? I was kidding about the president being announced at 9:30. By the way, I was a joke. Don't take me seriously, people. Yeah, you're right. I mean, honestly, it don't really matter who fucking wins. The government's fucked either way. These fucking politicians, they're just gonna fuck us no matter what. But at least it'll be more fun. It'll be more fun if Kamala loses, or like if Trump wins. It'll be a lot more fun, you know? Twitter will be fun again. Make Twitter fun again. That's what we need, you know? Need Twitter to be fun one more time. Got 7 minutes here till the market opens. We can clearly see that we got this downward trend line right now. So if we get above that trend line, well, you know what would be probable. Be very probable. Up here to the 20,218 pivot point there. We'll see. All right. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Also winds up nicely.
5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. This downward trend right now, we'll see how this plays out. Will we get stuck here? Move back down? We got the close yesterday down there at 20,085 level. So let's see how she plays. Just in you we are. Nothing else matters. And nothing else matters. Getting very, very tight here. Very tight. We got that 20,116 area. Right there, that pivot point. We got this downward trend. We got the VWAP. We got the 21 EMA, that blue line. So obviously, if we can get through all this here, you've got that pivot point up there, which is also Monday's high as well. So Monday's high up there at the 20,223s. So let's see how she plays. So how far to who we are? Nothing else matters. Right now, the poll, 84%. 84% up there. Do I like Elon Musk? I got nothing against him. I got nothing against the guy. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's go. Get some more likes here on the stream. We got 3,000 people watching. Woo, buddy. Less than 2 minutes here. This 160 area, we got to get through like 160, 170. You can see like triple top there. So if we break through there, think about this as like kind of right up to that level. So we got this big trend line on the bigger time frames all the way back till last week on Friday. Will we get a breakout here and start to squeeze up? Oh, let's see. All right, less than a minute, boys. Less than a minute, boys. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow it up. Let's get more likes here. We'll do something crazy. Let's do something crazy. Right now, NVIDIA trying to push up here. ES is pushing up off the pivot point as well. Pivot point, pivot point, pivot point. There we go. Market is open. Got to get through this 60 area straight up here. Straight up through the 60s. Rip straight up there. Come on, let's get that 200 just straight up. Boner candle to the moon, boys. Let's go boner candle to the goddamn moon here. Boner candle to the goddamn moon. To the goddamn moon. Oh, Lord, oh, Lord, oh, Lord. It went straight up, boys. It went straight. Who would have thought? Breaking out of our downtrend. We hit the 21 EMA straight up so far. Let's get this continuation, baby. Let's get that pivot point area up there. And then yesterday's high next. A little bit of a bull flag trying to form here. This is my target up into this 200 level. I don't want nothing but 200 plus. Give me 200 plus and I'll take profit, you little bitch. You little bitch. You little bitch. I'll do it. I'll take it. Thank you very much. 200 plus. Y'all want to see this? Check it out. What's it all about? This might be my best trade I've ever done. My best trade ever in my entire life. 50 points from the 149s up there to the 200s. I'm not trading these other accounts right now, so basically Top Step is transferring one of my XFAs into a live account, and then I would then now I'm allowed to have five. I can have five XFAs and then one live account. I requested $4,000 payout, $4,000 payout, $4,000, $6,000 payout last night, plus the live account as well. So that was almost I think like 27,000. So I'm not going to trade these accounts today because I don't want to take any risk of possibly losing that payout. But as you can see, where did we go to? The high on that candle, 205. We drew a little circle. I mean, I'll take it. I will take it. I will take it, and I'll take it real good. I will take it, and I will take it really good. I've seen you do more points. You're right. But that was just like the easiest trade ever. I'm just like proud that was like that was the easiest trade I've ever could have taken in my entire life. There was no drawdown. I got long at the 49. The low of that candle right there is like 46s. We had the 21 EMA. We're getting another little bull flag right here. Another little bull flag to push. Be looking to get through that pivot point up there, 220s or so, 230s next. You've got yesterday's high coming up. Right, yesterday's high is right there at the 228 level. And we are still pushing. That next little bull flag playing out there on the 1 minute chart. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame. Shame, shame on Rips for being a little bitch. If you guys are just now tuning in, please stay tuned, right? We got 3,300 people. Let's go for 4,000 today. Come on, boys. Let's do it. 1,000 likes for the day. Come on, it's still going higher. There's the pivot point getting touched. Getting touched. Pivot point getting touched. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, why did I think to get long there? Well, pull up the hourly chart, my friends. Draw a line on this motherfucker. You know? Put a fucking line on that motherfucker. What else do you want from me? What else do you want? Put a line on that motherfucker. Amen, brother. Amen. I mean, it was 15-minute chart as well. Patrick, why did you get long? I don't know. I put a little line on it. Seemed like a good idea, you know? A good spot to get long at. It just seemed like it. But what do I know? Put a little line on it. All right, we got the 15-minute range. We've only been trading for 6 minutes now, so relax, everybody. No rush here. Kind of still sitting up here at the highs of this 15-minute range. We tapped that pivot point right on the fucking dot right there. Playing out exactly like we said it would. I love being good, man. I like waking up in the morning and I like pissing fucking excellence. Tell me what is a better feeling than literally waking up in the morning, pulling your fucking dick out, and then just pissing. Pissing goddamn excellence, you know? Tell me. I'll wait. I will wait for a response, because there is nothing better than waking up in the morning, fucking pulling your dick out, and just pissing fucking excellence, baby. We are that good. We are that fucking good, boys. Yeah. Right up to that pivot point for now, the NASDAQ. That's on Monday, I told you guys exactly what would happen before it happened. On Friday, same thing. Today, told you exactly what was going to happen before the market opened. So I hope you listened. We took out yesterday's high now. NASDAQ just straight up currently. You gotta fucking love it. Boner candle right up there to the 230s. I took profit early, obviously. But hey, I'll do it. I'll take it. Still got the 15-minute range coming up here. I'd be a little worried about getting long up here just because we took out yesterday's high. So we still got this like Monday overnight high up here at the 250s. Just hard to get long up here after we were long down here, you know? It's like, hey, I was long at the 150s and now I'm like, do I really want to get long up here right now with no pullback? I like to be patient, you know what I mean? So beautiful trade either way. It's still going, boys. Still going. 242s. Now we just wait. Just wait for a little pullback here. Let this 15-minute range play out. Both the ES and the NASDAQ pushed up to the pivot point here. Like I said, just kind of a little too overextended now. Look at how far we are off of that 21 EMA. We could go higher. It's possible. But if I'm gonna look to get into an entry, I want to try to get into the market when we are as close as possible to the 21 EMA as possible. You know what I mean? Like, even if I go to the 1 minute chart, like 21 EMA is still down here. So I want to get long as close as possible to that 21 EMA because I know my risk to reward is much better. If I enter a long right here at the 200s, where's my stop at? Where do I put my stop at on this trade? I'd have to put my stop like literally down here. And why? Because I'm like, hey, the 21 EMA is all the way down there. So there's no point in me getting long up here when I'm like, hey, you know, I think we're going to pull back. And again, just like we said yesterday, just like I said yesterday, guys, it's okay. If the market goes higher, it's okay. Nothing wrong with that. You know? Nothing wrong with that. So that's what we're going to do. Patience. No rush. There's that pullback we were just talking about. Ray! It's always so annoying when it like doesn't pull back all the way, you know, like it just gets like right to an annoying spot where you're like, ah, it was so close to hitting it. 1 minute chart, we did tap the 21 EMA. I hate like buying those pullbacks on a 1 minute chart because they're just like majority of the time they're suspect. If the market's trending and it's strong and we're getting a good move, then you can buy those 1 minute pullbacks. But it's just like, I don't trust them, you know? Like, I don't trust them. So I still would be like, we kind of want that 2 minute pullback here. You know? If a previous day high or low gets taken out, do you consider that important? 100%. 100%. Because look, you know, once you take out this yesterday's high, look at what happens now. Now we're kind of pulling back here. So we got the 15-minute range set. The high of that 15-minute range, 242 level. Misery! Right now, sitting right there at that pivot point. Nvidia pulling back to the pivot. NASDAQ pushing up here. I'm pretty excited for my new Escalade. You guys seen those Escalade V's? Anybody? Escalade V's? Anybody got those? Everybody, fucking 650 horsepower. 650 horsepower. That shit's gotta be wild. I don't even have a picture of it. I'll show you guys when I get it. I'll pick it up today. Post it on Twitter or something. We got the McLaren back. The McLaren is back in action, baby. That thing's fast. It's like real fast. But the Lambo is definitely faster. The Lambo is fucking nuts. Christopher, after the Model S Plaid, trust me, that shit is not fun. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll turn on the McLaren. I'll rev up this bitch. I'll pop it off. See if we can light some flames in the garage and burn the house down. That'd be great. What road can you drive fast on? Sir, I only go the speed limit no matter where I go. Patrick, what does Victoria drive? She just drives whatever she wants, I guess. She'll drive my truck or other stuff, just whatever. I got 1,000 likes. God damn it. Now I got to turn it on. Fuck. You guys are going to, I'm going to die from carbon monoxide. All right, NASDAQ still pushing that 1 minute pullback. Today's the day for those pullbacks on the 1 minute chart. Play the biggest, the baddest. I got you, dog. Because we the biggest. The biggest. The largest. Hey! The largest. NASDAQ pushing the new highs right now, breaking out of the 15-minute chart, hitting that 1 minute 21 EMA, kind of like we were like, just needed that 2 minute. Just wanted to get a little closer. If I'd had like, just needed one more little dippy dip there, and that would have been a fucking rocket ship of a move. But as you can see, still rocketing higher here. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, baby. And by the way, don't forget, I'm trying to sell. I got a domain for sale if anybody wants to buy it. Marketclubhouse.com. I bought it a while back, and I no longer want it. You know, I don't really know. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. But you know, I bought it a while back, and maybe I would sell it for $50,000. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it. $50,000. And whatever money that I make from the sale of the domain that I own, Patrick Wieland, bought marketclubhouse.com legally, by the way. Whatever one I will donate. I will take the $50,000 from selling marketclubhouse.com. If I sell it, I will then use that money to give all of my followers, or at least 1,000 people, one free evaluation. That's right. That's $50,000 worth of value. So just putting that out there. Make sure you sign up on the Twitter, by the way. Claim your spot today. But that's my promise. NASDAQ still going higher, boys. Right off that 21, off of the pivot point there. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, it's crazy time. The largest, biggest, the largest. Hey. The largest. It's still going. It's just going up. It just keeps going. Fuck. I need more money. I need more money, boys. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. We're locking in our $1,000. My goal right now for these Apex accounts, I need 6 payouts. If I get 6 payouts, I will then be able to request all of the money in these accounts. So right now, let's do the math. I got 31,000 in these accounts. And obviously, the largest. That would be a $340,000 payout. I think it's very doable. Very fucking doable. And what's crazy is this is literally just from trading 2 contracts per account and making a couple $1,000s every day. So my goal is $1 million payout. I want $1 million fucking payout. That's what I want. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm gonna fucking try, boys. I'm gonna do it for the fam. Do it for the fam. For my long bloodline of motherfucking badasses. I'm gonna do it for them. The largest. The largest. Hey. All right, NASDAQ trying to pull back here again. What's funny though is if you look where we at, boys. We took out yesterday's high. We took out Monday, the overnight Monday, you know, overnight high on Monday, overnight move, whatever you want to call it, London. Now we got the Friday coming up there next, 288. We talked about this whole entire play playing out exactly the way it did before the market even opened. So if you're confused, if you're surprised, if you're not in the green right now, go ahead and fucking just go ahead, click Control Alt Delete. I'm telling you, if you click Control Alt Delete, it will just get rid of your red day. I know, it's crazy. I do it all the time. Whenever I'm red, I just fucking Control Alt Delete. It just deletes the red day. If you're flat, that's fine. That's all right too. That's all right. Alan, I took your course, just passed 5 evaluation accounts. Let's go. Let's go. What else we got? Need some music up in this bitch. Music up in this bitch. Fucker's still just going higher. God damn it. I'm gonna turn the McLaren on. Look at this. I cannot believe this bullshit. Look at my entry this morning. I got long at 20,149. Damn. Damn. Damn, it's still going. God damn. America, baby. We're up $1,000 in that new XFA. Like I said, I got transferred. I'm transferring one of the XFAs into a live account. I got 5 XFAs total, so I have a new one that I can start to run up here. Try to get some profits out of this motherfucker. I should have just let that thing ride. God. If you're just now tuning in and you haven't heard the news, that's right. The biggest pussy on the internet, the biggest pussy on the fucking internet, sent me a cease and desist letter last night, and I am fired up right now. I'm ready to go to war. I will fucking die before I bend the knee. You're gonna have to fucking put me in jail. You're gonna have to put me in motherfucking jail. Put me in jail, motherfucker. Come on. Come on. Come over here and take it. Come and take it, motherfuckers. Take it. Come and take it. Come take my domain. Take my motherfucking domain. I dare you. I'll go down in guns a-blazing. I will fight for my liberty. I will fight for my rights. I bought it fair and square. I don't owe you shit. And again, Rips is literally the biggest fucking pussy on the internet. Hi, my attorney's gonna send you a cease and desist so that you shut the fuck up. Also, Rips always acts like he never knew who I was. That's my favorite, right? Rips loves to be like, Patrick, I had no idea. This was Rips back in January texting me. He was my biggest fucking fan. Look at that. Congrats on winning your tournament over the weekend, by the way. Thanks. Look, I'm sorry to hear, and I appreciate you sharing with me. That was because I was talking about how Top Step wasn't paying me at the time. And them, basically he was saying, I figured out it was all to drum up views. Drama seems to do that more than the middle of the road type stuff. I have nothing against you. It's all love. It's all love. That's what he said on Twitter. Get the fuck out of here. Here's my payouts from last night. Payouts. We got another person right here getting payouts as well. 1 week after watching the course, I got these 2 payouts right here. Lunas, my man. I don't know. That might be maybe. I think it's a man. Not sure. It could be anybody really, because nowadays you can have any gender. But yeah, there you go. A $5,000 payout after using the course or buying the course. So, I mean, hey, you don't have to take my word for it. It's on the internet. It's got to be real. All right, let's start this bitch up. We're going to start it up. NASDAQ's pulling back after pushing all the way the fuck up there to the 20,300 is the high on that candle right there. 299.50. The ES also going straight to the moon. I hope Bitcoin's going up right now. Let me see Bitcoin. I got a bunch of fucking Bitcoin. I need this motherfucker to go up. It's kind of going up. It's up 2% on the day, but not up enough. I need it to like 80, 90,000. Let's get Bitcoin to 80,000, right? Bitcoin, 80,000. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're going to turn on the McLaren. I'm going to open the garage. I'm going to open the garage so that I don't die from carbon monoxide. All right, get ready, fuckers. Let's see if I can turn this little... Because I'm the biggest in the house. Hey, what is that? Piece of poo-poo. There's something there. What's that? I need more comments for the rest! America! 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 America, motherfucker! It's America! It's goddamn America! America! Well, that was fun. That was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Just blowing up my goddamn motor. Cause I'm the biggest, the largest. All right, NASDAQ still going higher. Who's still long? Anybody still long from the fucking open? Oh my Lord. Check out the 15-minute opening range, by the way. There's your 15-minute opening range. This is a textbook setup here. I gotta let the fucking air go out. There's too much fucking carbon monoxide in this bitch. Is Hertz gonna charge you for that motor? Probably. They might not be happy that I put a twin turbo on the fucking Huracan either. Uh-oh. Don't tell anybody. What's more fun? The McLaren or the Lamborghini? To be honest, the McLaren definitely makes a lot more noise. The McLaren, like, it shoots fireballs. It's fucking loud. It's a whole different vibe for sure. The Lamborghinis, it's not as aggressive, at least the exhaust. The McLaren really fucking makes some noise. The Trackhawk, fuck your Trackhawk. All right, again, 15-minute chart, or the 15-minute opening range. We broke out of the 15-minute opening range here through the 240s, up there to the 320s. So, it played out, baby. It played out. If you guys, can we get some more likes here? We got 1,200 likes right now. 1,199. Get that. Let's go to 1,300, boys. My dream car, G-Wagon. Billy. Come on, Billy. Dream bigger. Fuck yo, G-Wagon. That shit's... don't do it. Harris definitely drives a fucking Trackhawk. Can we get the Rip song? Ooh, we need a Rip song. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to start working on my rap. My diss album for little Rips boy. Don't be a Trump, vote for Trump. I like, don't be a chump, vote for Trump. I like that. Oh, also, we sent out an email last night. If you bought the course, BMW XM5 is the best car in the world. What? What world are you smoking? What is he? What is he talking about? BMW X5 best car in the world? What? 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 But again, 15-minute opening range. There you go. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. What world is you smoking is my new line. That's a pretty good one. If you watch the live stream for long enough, you will definitely get some new lines to talk about. Do you have a video showing how to use the pivot points? I do. I have a course, actually. If you want to check it out. I got a whole ass course. That's right. You can check it out. 'Cause I'm the biggest, the largest. Because it's safe to say that I'm the biggest, the largest. Oh, yeah, by the way, at 11 o'clock, HRE wheels on both cars. You know how we roll. Look at them things. Fucking gangster. Gangster. I got 24-inch Vossens on the Escalade. Gangster. You know, they just hating on me because I'm the biggest, the largest. The numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie, people. Name another YouTuber who's bigger, who's larger. Ain't nobody. Hey, biggest, the largest. Another bull flag here? God. That next pivot point is up here, 20,350s. If we look at the bigger time frame, that hourly kind of, this is the high from Thursday, that data high put us up to like 400s. I honestly thought we'd get a little bit more choppy, a little bit choppier today. I thought we would, you know, seeing that we'd have like a little bit more chop, but as of right now, we just only gone up. Biggest, the largest. Oh, Top Step. They were in the green and now they're in the red. How can they're amazing. Such good traders. Such good trading over there always. The best. That's the best right there, baby. Best of the best over there. Oh, they're getting short up here at the top right now. Dakota's short at 20,299. You can't help these idiots. You literally can't help them. The people in my chat right now, is there anybody in my chat that would get short here? You know, is there anybody in the chat that would like to get short here? You know, it's just like, why? Why would you get short there? Even if it does pull back, why? What does that? Makes no sense. Like, why? The market has just been going straight up. And I know now it's going to pull back here, but like, why? Why would you get short there? The trend is your friend. You know, like, just seems silly. Maybe a cheap trade? I mean, is there anything, is there ever a cheap trade? Like, I don't know. And again, like I said, if it does pull back here, that's fine. But like, you're just gambling, you know? I mean, if you short at 300 and your stop's at 320, that's not a cheap trade. So, whatever. 1 hour pivot point acting as resistance for now. Still holding up there. It's safe to say that I'm the biggest, the largest. Trying to look at this, maybe like buy this pullback here. Pulling on back. Got that 21 EMA to the downside there. The best part is we don't really need to do much on, we don't need to do anything really here. Just kind of wait for something to form. What the fuck? Oh god. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Fucking A. Trying to log into an account right now, and the password is really funky. There's no way it's gonna work, or maybe it will. Fuck, I knew it. Oh, it worked. No, it didn't work. Yeah, it worked. Fuck. Is this gonna be the pullback? Are we gonna go from here? Are we gonna go from here? Are we gonna go from here? Safe to say that I'm the biggest, the largest. I gotta fucking, god damn it. Kind of seeing how we react here. We start to get a little bull flag breakout back through that 300 level up there to that 350 area pivot point next. 350 pivot point there next. It's kind of watching here. The Dow and the ES, everything is trying to push through resistance right now. We're pulling back here into that 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. Will we get some continuation now? Will we get some continuation now? Looking at the 15-minute chart here on this pullback, where are we at in terms of this breakout candle to the upside? We're still very much in the upper half of that range, so the bulls are still trying to hold up here. As long as we can kind of hold that 50 area, I think the bulls will try to get a new push, kind of a bull flag push breakout here. Right now it's 10:16 in the morning.
First off, you better remember what that sign say when you come down here in this bitch. Don't mess with Texas. Cause you know everybody around this bitch got guns. Hey, see y'all from Texas.
Looking a little dangerous right here. Possibly pull back more. Again, you don't really need to do much here until we get like a strong push out of this kind of downward trend. Just kind of sloping down here, being patient, like letting this kind of try to push if it's gonna push. So hey, still kind of holding up here at the 21 EMA. We need some momentum to break out here. Like I said, ES, NASDAQ, everything kind of trying to push here. NVIDIA also bull flagging. Dollars kind of pulling back. QQQ. Choo choo choo. Choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Right now, trying to break out here. There's your little breakout. Need this continuation now to get through the 300s there, and then try to make a new high of day push. Only thing I want to be careful about is obviously we did have a big old leg up here, so we might get more consolidation before getting that breakout. It's one thing to consider, right? If we're looking at the chart and you see, like, okay, the market opens, we get a little push, we consolidate. Well, there's a very high chance that we kind of get another little leg up, right? To kind of continue that leg. But then, now that we're up here, you're like, maybe we get more kind of action, kind of chopping before going higher here. So, not to say that it can't go higher at some point here. It's just the fact of we've already had this big leg up, right? So, might get more pullback before moving higher. Just not as consistent of a move for these breakouts after we've already had kind of like a big leg up. But we'll see. We're gonna find out. Oof. See, I feel like right here, there's a lot of shorts that are trying to get in here. Trying to get this move back down. So if it does take any bit of a if it does get a little bit of a push, it could really, you know, have those legs, have some legs here. So ooh, what's that? It's also like if you're short here, it's like, where's your stop? I guess I just don't really like. There's some people out there that they will short, you know, and then put their stop at the high of day. And it's like from 280, 320. That's a 40-point stop. I don't even want to. I don't want to hold a 40-point loser. You know, intentionally at least. Like I don't want to go into a trade and be like, okay, I'm going to enter here with a 40-point stop. I just feel like that's just not the best idea. So we'll see. What are we thinking? So close. So far. Oof. Oh God. I don't have a trade open, by the way. I'm not trading right here, but it is on pins and needles. Pins and needles. Pins and needles, my friends. But I will say, Top Step is short from the 81s. So, I mean, a broken clock will be right twice a day. So, you know, you can't always fade them. At some point, they might get lucky. But, I don't know. The stats are not in their favor. What do you think, chat? Are we going higher here? Higher or lower? I'm saying higher. If I had to bet, I would say higher. But again, I'm not taking the trade, so my bet doesn't really matter. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I told you so after the fact, but I definitely would not get short here. Let's say that. You know what I mean? There's no way I would get short right here. So I'm just putting that out there. You know, no way that I would get short. Bear flag, or sorry, the bull flag, trying to get this breakout here, just like we just kind of talked about. $360 in 5 minutes. Jordan, let's go. I would love to see 360. Not even though I'm not even in the trade. You know, even though I'm not even in the trade, it would just be fucking hilarious for it to go to 360. I would laugh like I did yesterday again. I'd just be laughing my head off. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. I think Top Step got stopped out. Is Rip short right now? I can't tell. Who's short? Come on, baby. Rip it up there. Rip it up. Let's go. He's going to need extra money to pay for those lawyers to sue me. Come on. It's such a beautiful thing. It's such a beautiful thing. I love being Patrick Wieland. You know, like when you think about it, like being Patrick Wieland is the best fucking, it's the best. It's literally the best because these fucking morons. Oh, it's good. It went through the 300s, so. Oh,
how many accounts did he use?
We only allow one single live.
Whoa! Whoa!
Guess what happens when you narrow your focus to trade better? Something we'll be talking about in the future.
Listen to this.
Bankrupt if they're good traders. No, you won't if you take them live.
Oh, man. Live. They're killing it.
Trading the NASDAQ. All these traders were trading the NASDAQ yesterday. We got Nick
Funny guys out there.
14,772. Derek.
All right, so I'm doing at 11 a.m. At 11 a.m. we're doing, if you guys should have got an email. If you bought the Patrick Wieland course, you should have got an email last night. Check your spam. Check out all this stuff. We're doing a little Q&A, so check it out. We'll be back here at 11. I'm going to, not to Hawaii. I'm going to Costa Rica. I'm going to Costa Rica tomorrow. I'm going to be in Costa Rica for 5 days fishing. So if you don't see me here on YouTube, that's where I'm at. I'm fishing in Costa Rica, baby. So I'll see you guys pretty much next Tuesday. Next Tuesday is when I will officially be back. We got a lot of big stuff coming. Right now, NASDAQ is kind of chopping around up here at the highs. So There it is. There it is. So, I will see you guys next Tuesday, or I'll see you at 11 o'clock. Either way, I'm going to see you. Peace to the Middle East. Big thank you guys for tuning in. It's been fun, like always. And we made money. And now we're walking away. So, I will see you guys then. From my heart to yours. I love you. We'll see you later. Wish me luck. We're going blue marlin and sail fishing in Costa Rica. So hopefully we catch something. We'll see. You never know. Peace to the Middle East, people.